What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the Wi-Fi option is not showing up in your Windows settings or in your taskbar. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Your current Windows user settings, network adapter driver, or general network-related settings can cause this problem. First, open up your Windows settings. On this window, navigate to the Network and Internet section. Make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled. Next, click on VPN and make sure that your VPN is currently not connected. This could otherwise change your Wi-Fi settings and prevent them from showing up. Back in your Network and Internet settings, select Advanced Network Settings. Make sure that all your network adapters are enabled. Below, click on Network Reset. This will allow you to reset your network settings and reinstall your network adapters. In case you are using custom DNS servers, then you will be required to reinstall your VPN client and change your DNS server addresses. When this is done, head to your account settings. Here, you should ensure that you're using an account with administrator privileges. If you use a standard Windows account, open up your control panel. View your settings by category and click on Change Account Type. Next, select your account and then change the account type. This will allow you to control your PC and allow changes to your network settings by using an account with admin rights. If you're using a work or school computer, then you will have to request access from your admin to make changes to your Wi-Fi or other network settings. If you're using a work or a school computer, you will have to request access from your admin to make changes to your Wi-Fi or other network settings. You will have to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Next, reopen your Windows settings and under System, click on Troubleshoot. Under Other Troubleshooters, run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. This will take a moment to detect issues and apply some settings to fix your Wi-Fi option problem. All of these steps and additional information will be available in my extensive guide linked below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.